Hello and welcome everybody to another video. Today is Hot Wheels time, and as you can see I did find a lot of models from the M case of 2023, which is in my opinion definitely one of the best cases this year. We have a lot of new castings, some pretty cool stuff, but before we get into that, you might have already seen it in the description. I was really lucky and I'm pretty happy. I did pull a super treasure hunt. So cool. I mean, this is my second super treasure hunt this year. I think for 2 years I didn't find anything. I also found, I think 2 months ago, the Corvette, the Gas Monkey Garage Corvette, which was from the G case, I think. And now this is the super from the M case. It's the Mighty K. This is a generic casting, but I think it's a really cool generic casting. I really like it. A Rio Asada casting, this Mighty K. So this is a generic K truck, but it's really nicely done. I love the details. I hope you can see it through the plastic. There is a skateboard in the back, and we got this pretty nice red Spectra Flame livery. We got this Japanese lettering here on the side. Unfortunately I don't know what that says, but it looks just cool. Reuler circuit here. We got these tiny 4-spokes, so a really cool super, and yeah, I will keep it on the card for sure. And I didn't find the regular mainline version so far, but yeah, so I'm pretty happy. Let's put this one to the side and let's get started with the unboxing. And we got our first new casting. This is the Volkswagen ID Buzz. So this is Volkswagen's electric bus. And yeah, let's crack this one open. I'm not the biggest fan of these Volkswagen buses, but I know there are a lot of fans out there. I think this is a pretty nice casting. So yeah, everything that is yellow and white is metal. The whole plastic, the whole roof part, sorry, is plastic. We got a pretty nice interior. And we get some pretty nice details on the back saying ID Buzz. Front is also looking very crisp and clear, looking very good. The huge Volkswagen logo. Yeah, here on the side, as you can see, the taillight doesn't really line up very well, but I think it's okay. Nice casting, this Volkswagen ID Buzz. And a new casting. So let's put this guy into the parking lot and we go on with another new casting, which is the Alfa Romeo GTV 6 3.0, and this one is definitely one of the highlights for this year. I already mentioned it in another video. I'm not a big Alfa Romeo fan, but this thing looks fantastic. So there we go. By the way, this one, as far as I know, has also some new wheels, and I think they do look very good. Seems like yeah, these are 4-spokes with a huge chrome ring. Oh, it looks so good. I mean, look at this, yeah, rally or racing deco here on the side. I'm a huge fan of that. If you are a subscriber of this channel, you already know this. Nothing on the back, but yeah, a lot of deco on the side, and we also get some headlights and yeah, the Alfa logo here on the front. Pretty nice. And we go on with the next new casting. So this is a generic model. I think this is nothing sensational. This is called Surf Duty, and yeah, sometimes I buy these generic castings when I like them, and I thought this one here in this lifeguard deco does look pretty cool. Don't get any details on the front. And yeah, I mean, we get these red tinted windows. Yeah, maybe not everybody's cup of tea. I think it's okay. Nothing on the back. I think it's pretty nice. So then we go on with this thing here, which is kind of a dragster version of the Chevy Chevette. Not really familiar with that. I think this is new in the mainline. So I guess it's been a premium casting. I don't know. Nothing on the front, but I really love this, yeah, what is this? Reddish brown livery. And also the deco. We don't get any taillights or headlights, but some deco on the roof and a lot of, yeah, 70s deco on the side. It looks really good. So yeah. Mismatched wheels, bigger ones in the back. Yeah. Into the parking lot, and the next new casting is this guy here, the Volvo XC40 Recharge. And once again, pretty nice deco on this guy. Well, first of all, I mean, the front doesn't look really good in my opinion. This thing definitely needs headlights. This looks kind of poor. I mean, the back looks good. It's got these typical Volvo taillights, and we get this pretty nice, yeah, deco with trees on the side. Looks very, very good. But I mean, look at the front. Yeah. You know, at some point they have to save some money, so we don't get the full deco, but yeah, I mean, it's really, really cool casting, but yeah, should definitely display this guy from the side. So then we got the 73 Honda Civic Custom. This is also new for 2023, but it's the second color. So let's take a look at this one. And there we go. This was the first version in a Mr. Bean green. Yeah, pretty nice. I like. Oops. There we go. This guy. So still not finished. Then we got this one. I'm not 100% sure if this is from the M case. Maybe it's one case earlier. I don't know. Anyways, this is also a new casting. It's a generic casting that I normally, I think I wouldn't buy. I don't like these yeah, open or these visible engine parts, and it's a little overdone, so to say. But I mean, this deco is just really, really cool. Black Widow exhaust, and yeah, definitely really, really nice deco. What does it say right here? The King of Sound. Yeah, very nice. Then this seems to be a new version of the GMC Hummer EV, and yeah, it's also Barbie branded. Haven't seen the movie yet, by the way. Yeah, also very cool. I mean, look at the front. Oh, focus. It's looking good. Get these flashy details here on the side, and we also get the taillights and the Hummer lettering. If you are wondering, it's not the same version. I think this one here is from last year. There we go. And as you can see, it's not the same. Here we got the open bed, like a pickup version, and then you can see that the roof is different. Here it's completely open. You can take out all of these parts, and here only the front part is opened. So let's put our Hummer into the parking lot, and we go on with this one, which is the 27 Ford Mustang. This is a model that I normally wouldn't buy. It's because I'm not a huge fan when they do these mismatched wheels so extremely, you know, the huge ones in the back. I just don't think it does look good. But it's Falken livery, and so yeah, I had to have it. I think it's been quite a while since we've seen the last mainline with a Falken deco. I think it was some Mazda RX-7, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, as you can see, the prints are not the best. It looks a little messed up here on the hood. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, I think trying to get another one. But I mean, this Falken livery always does look good. Then, also pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not too much into Fast and Furious, and I don't collect these models, but this version of the 94 Toyota Supra definitely is so cool in my opinion. I think they nailed it. This looks so funny. I really love this one. I mean, these tiny wheels, this huge roof, and yeah. I mean, look at this exhaust detail. It's so cool. This is so cool. I think this is definitely the best tuned casting since the Volkswagen Golf. Yeah, I really like this one. So cool. What else do we got? This is the 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Also with these open hood stuff, visible engine details and so on. Yeah. I think you've seen it in 2 or 3 versions before, in white, in red, and I guess a third color. I'm not 100% sure. I think this purple looks kind of cool. Purple, yeah, it's a metallic livery. Yeah. It's okay. Then, I think this is also a new casting. 73 Jeep J10. Yeah, this is also very cool livery. It's a interesting color. It's like it's a little bit like a color shifter between, I don't know, let's say between red and orange or something. And it's also got like a little pearl effect to it. So this is pretty nice. Also love the Hot Wheels logo on the side. Got 2 spare tires, and this chrome interior is also very cool. So we get a chrome front, and yeah, pretty nice model. I already mentioned it. This is a really cool case. Next one is this guy here, Aston Vantage GTE. Yeah, from the car design, this is not one of my favorites, but hey, it's the Golf version. And if you're wondering, hey, this is white, yes, this is the, yeah, let's say original version, or in the original blue. Yeah, there we are. The rest is the same. So let's put our white one into the parking lot, and our last model is this one here, the Toyota Land Cruiser 80. And as you can see here on the side, this is from the Then and Now series. And yeah, this is a Now version, coming with some pretty details on the front. And these, yeah, let's call them 70 colors, you know, like they did in the 70s. I think it looks very good. And by the way, the then version is this guy here. This one was regular treasure hunt in, don't ask me which case, but I think this is a really cool pair in my opinion. And yeah, so that was the last one, and as always, let's bring our models together. And I'm always trying to pick a favorite. And well, I mean, for sure, basically it's a super treasure hunt, no doubt. But from the other models, yeah, I would say, oops, sorry for that. I would say it's the Alfa. This is really, really cool, pretty nice model. So now we've reached the end of this video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time.